Hi guys, what's up? Heraldo here. We are back again for another great update on this Pikamoon. So sa mga hindi nakakaalam guys, marami na po ako nagawang content tungkol dito sa Pikamoon. So basically, this is a play to earn on Ethereum network. Ayan, so the highlight of this video guys is the Pika token. So ito yung topic natin for today's video. So ito guys ay nalalaro nga pala yung beta. Pwede kayong makapaglaro nito sa Google Play at App Store. So yan, ilalagay ko na lang din yung yung mga video na nagawa natin sa ating YouTube channel. So basically guys, kung gusto niyo bumili ng Pika token, you can buy it on BitGet, MEXC, Uniswap, and Bitmart. So let's go to the highlight of this video guys. Ayan, $1.8 million worth of Pika tokens have been burned. So ganyan lang naman kalaki yung na-burn ng Pika ngayon dito, no? Bakit nila burn? Ito ba, why did Pikamoon burn this? So basically guys, these were the remaining tokens from pre-sale investors who didn't claim their tokens in time. And yan, dito sa post na to, meron silang 1,000 Pika giveaway. So paano sumali? 4 people will get this, no? So basically, 4 people will gonna win $250 worth each. So number 1, retweet, like, and comment. So basically, you need to heart, tapos mag-comment lang kayo dyan. Okay, comment tayo ng Pika to the moon. Ayan, so ayan, nag-heart na tayo, nag-comment na tayo, tapos mag-retweet din tayo guys. Ayan, retweet natin siya or repost natin. So ayan, automatically may entry na agad tayo sa kanilang $1,000 giveaway. Okay, so punta naman tayo guys sa next topic, no? Yung kanilang arcade. So meron sila ditong parang style arcade games coming soon. So I think another play to na magagawa natin or malalaro natin dito sa Pika. We will offer a monthly Pika prize pool for a various games. So while they are polishing their actual gameplay guys, so eto, makakapaglaro tayo ng kanilang arcade game. So basically, this is coming soon. Okay? At eto guys, ayan, nag-reveal na naman sila ng another character reveal. Ayan, so Blazewing. So kung mapapansin natin na tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pag-develop ng Pikamoon, no, sa kanilang game. So again guys, sa mga bago pa lang sa paningin itong game na to, eto po siya. Okay, post muna natin. Ito yung official website guys, you can check out everything in here, no. Ayan, so yung mga kanilang audited by Haken, tapos partners guys, yung mga partners behind this project, and napakadami, no. So ito yung kanilang video trailer, no. Makikita naman natin na napakaganda. And so basically guys, yung mga NFTs nila is makikita natin yung mga sample dito sa video na to. Ayan, meron tong mga earth, water, wind, electric or lightning, ayan, mga fire. So may mga element po yung mga NFTs dito guys na maaari nating makuha, ma-acquire, mabili in the future. So yeah, again, focus tayo ngayon sa token. So good to buy ngayon ang Pika token guys. Pwede kayong bumili sa BitGet. So ayan, maganda yung palo ng kanilang algorithm ngayon, no? Yung palo nung kanilang price value. Okay, ayan, sa MEXC, kung gusto niyo bumili sa Bitmart guys, pwede rin kayong bumili sa Bitmart kung gusto niyo. Ayan, so sa Uniswap, pwede rin kayong bumili sa Uniswap. So ayun guys, meron nga pala silang naganap na podcast episode 5, no? 2 million of Pika burned. Watch now for alpha drop. So ayan, pinag-usapan dito guys, no. Napakahaba nito, 1 hour. So maubos oras natin kapag pinanood natin ito lahat. So maraming pinag-uusapan dito or tinatakal dito, no, pagdating sa Pikamoon. So make it sure to check it out. Kung may time kayo, panoorin nyo. Pwede naman. Okay, so kung bago pa lang kayo dito, marami na akong nagawang content tungkol sa Pikamoon. Pwede nyo i-check sa ating YouTube channel. Okay? All weak hands have now sold as all pre-sale claims has been completed. Nobody else can claim tokens anymore. Only Diamonds investors are left, which has a prime Pika for the all-time highs in the coming weeks. These prices won't stay here for long. And the huge influencer campaign now live across YouTube and Twitter or X with more than 300 influencers as market is backed by big way. Pika is the prime to be the best performing tokens in 2024 due to how many influencers love the team and the project. With the ETH ETF coming, more money will flow into altcoins on ETH like Pika. Alt season is coming and Pika is positioned to be the leading GameFi project of 2024. And by the way guys, you can check out the latest Pikamoon Space, no? You can play this recording and you can listen what it's all about, no? So yan, play nyo lang yan. Mapapakinggan nyo dito yung recorded na pinag-usapan tungkol sa Pikamoon. Okay, yan. So meron tayong naririnig. Okay. So again guys, don't forget to join the community of Pikamoon guys. The official Twitter is none other than at Pikamoon Coin. Okay, this is the only Twitter of Pikamoon. You can also join on the Telegram, no? It's t.me/Pikamoon official with 18,000 members, and you can also join the Discord, no? Napaka-active po ng Pikamoon sa Discord. Meron silang almost 24/7 support na maaari kayong matulungan just in case magkaroon kayo ng technical problems, no, or difficulties with the tokens and something else na related sa Pikamoon. So I think hanggang dito na lang muna tayo guys. Again, you can check out everything on my YouTube channel tungkol sa Pikamoon. And yeah, hanggang dito na lang tayo. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on the next one. Peace!